discuss about the basic concept of a cloud computing. There are certain services and models working behind the cloud computing, feasible and accessible to end users. Following are the working models for cloud computing. First one, deployment models. Second one, service model. Deployment models defines the type of access to the cloud, how the cloud is located. Cloud can have any of the four type of accesses. पहला, public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and last one, community cloud. What is public cloud? The public cloud allows systems and services to be easily accessible to the general public. Public cloud may be less secure because of its openness. In public cloud, the third-party service provider make resources and services available to the customer via internet. In a public cloud deployment mode, the services which are deployed are open for public use and generally public cloud services are free. Technically, there may be no difference between a public cloud and a private cloud, but the security parameters are very different. Since the public cloud is accessible by anyone, there is more risk factor involved with the same. आपको बता दें कि पब्लिक क्लाउड क्या है, कि पब्लिक क्लाउड को इजी वे एक आम जनता उसे यूज कर सकती है, लेकिन यह जो पब्लिक क्लाउड होता है वह लेस सिक्योर होता है। लेस सिक्योर मतलब कि इसे कोई भी इजी वे एक्सेस कर सकता है, कोई थर्ड पार्टी बिना किसी परमिशन का। और यह क्यों? क्योंकि यह ओपननेस इन नेचर होता है। प्राइवेट क्लाउड, द प्राइवेट क्लाउड allows system and services to be accessible within an organization. It is more secure because of its private nature. A private cloud also provides almost similar feature as public cloud, but the data and services are managed by the organization or by the third party only for the customer organization. In this type of cloud, major control is over the infrastructure, so security related issues are minimized. Usually, the costs are high when you are using your own cloud, since the hardware would be updated. आपको बता दें कि जो हमारा प्राइवेट क्लाउड होता है उसे कोई भी थर्ड पार्टी यानी कि कोई भी आम जनता उसे यूज नहीं करता है। इसे सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर ही यूज कर सकता है। इसमें सिक्योरिटी लीक होने का कहीं भी बात नहीं होती है, लेकिन इसका जो होता है वो कॉस्ट फैक्टर होता है, वो हाई होता है, क्योंकि लोग क्या करते हैं, कोई भी कंपनी उसे अपना प्राइवेट क्लाउड एस्टेब्लिश करना पड़ता है, उसे मेंटेनेंस करना पड़ता है, उसे हमेशा अपडेट करना पड़ता है उसके हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर कंपोनेंट को। सो हमारा जो प्राइवेट क्लाउड है वो हमारा सिक्योर होता है। कम्युनिटी क्लाउड, द कम्युनिटी क्लाउड अलाउज systems and services to be accessible by a group of organizations. The hybrid cloud is a mixture of public and private cloud, in which the critical activities are performed using private cloud while the non-critical activities are performed using public cloud. A hybrid cloud is a combination of both public and private cloud. The decision to run on public or a private cloud usually depend on various parameters like sensitivity of data and applications, industry certifications, and required standard regulation etc. Let's discuss about the service model. Cloud computing is built on service models. There are categorized into three basic service models, which are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Anything as a service is yet another service model which include network as a service, business as a service, identity as a service, database as a service, strategy as a service. Let's discuss about the infrastructure as a service. IaaS provides access to fundamental resources such as physical machines, virtual storage, etc. Infrastructure as a service is also known as hardware as a service. Infrastructure as a service, customers pay on a pay-use basis, typically by the hour, week, or a month. Some providers also charge customer based on the amount of virtual machine space they use. Advantages of a infrastructure as a service. First one, cost effective. Eliminate capital expense and reduce ongoing cost, and infrastructure as a service customer pay on pay use basis, typically by hour, week, or a month. Second one, web hosting. Running website using infrastructure as a service can be less expensive than a traditional web hosting. Third one, security. The infrastructure as a service cloud provider may provide better security than your existing software. Fourth one, maintenance. There is no need to manage the underlying data center or the introduction of new release of the development on underlying software. This is all handled by the infrastructure as a service cloud provider. The various companies provide infrastructure as a service such as Amazon Web Service, IBM, OpenStack, and VMware. Platform as a service. Platform as a service provides runtime environment for application development and deployment. PaaS is a category of cloud computing that provides a platform and environment to allow developers to build applications and services over the internet. PaaS, platform as a service, are hosted in the cloud and accessed by the users simply via their own web browser. A platform as a service provider hosts the hardware and software on its own infrastructure. As a result, PaaS, platform as a service, frees users from having to install in-house hardware and software to develop or run a new application. Advantages of a platform as a service. First one, simple and convenient for users. Second one, cost effective. Third one, efficiently managing the life cycle. It is designed to support the complete web application life cycle, such as building, testing, deploying, managing, and updating. Fourth one, efficiency. It allows for higher level programming with reduced complexity. Thus, the overall development of the application can be more effective. The various companies providing platform as a service such as AWS, Salesforce, Windows, Azure, IBM, and many more. Software as a service models allows to use software application as a service to end users. Software as a service is a way of delivering services and applications over the internet. Instead of initializing and maintaining software, we simply access it via the internet. Most software as a service application can be run directly from a web browser without any downloads or installations required. The software as a service applications are sometimes called as a web-based software, on-demand software, or hosted software. Advantages of a software as a service. First one, cost effective. Pay only for what you use. Second one, reduce time. User can run most software as a service apps directly from the web browser without needing to download and install any software. Third one, accessibility. We can access app data from anywhere. Fourth, automatic update. Fifth one, scalability. It allows the user to access the services and feature on demand.